Hey guys, welcome to this week devlogs, and this video I am going to tell you my progress day by day. Starting off with Monday progress, I have started setting up this project. Look at those scripts I have written, but yet I have started at Friday of last week, and in 3 days time I have written plenty lines of code. Here is my progress for Monday. The world terrain is going to be better than Wastelander 1, and I have made an AI that chases me and I have added animations to it. Alright, today is Tuesday and I have started a teaser trailer, and here is some view of my progress. So far in day 3 I have a mouse problem. I could not click with the right mouse, so progress is slowed down temporarily. Me and Dig the Pig has modeled the teaser trailer scene, but unfortunately I cannot show you yet, but I can show you my code. If you are a programmer you might guess part of the scene right. Thursday, and I have spent my whole day on the game teaser animating and probably scripting, because the script from yesterday is low quality and it needs to be optimized for better quality scenery. Today is Friday and I have added plenty of features. Those features took time to implement it, around 2 hours, because you know my mouse. But I have added a mini maps and extra weapons, and I have added different enemy with different health and weapons with different stats. Also I have added gun animations, as you have noticed, and reload animation too. That has been enough for this week devlog videos. I hope you like them. I have put a poll above. I want to know how often should I upload those devlogs videos, and if you also like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and visit my Daily Motions channel for more videos, and bye.